In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make dashboards on Freshsales. To get started, you will want to be inside Freshsales and looking at the main dashboard area. This is the central place where Freshsales shows your charts, performance snapshots, and reporting widgets. Along the top portion of the dashboard, you will see a tab specifically for dashboards. Think of these tabs as separate views you can switch between, depending on what you want to track. Once you have found the Dashboards tab, look nearby for a plus icon. This plus icon is the control Freshsales uses for creating something new in this area. Go ahead and click that plus icon to begin creating a new dashboard. Clicking it will open a small menu, presented as a drop-down, so you can choose what content you want your new dashboard to be built from. After the drop-down appears, you will select a report. Reports are what power dashboards in Freshsales, so the report you choose determines what you will see on the dashboard and what kind of results it can display. Take a moment here to select the report that best matches the goal of the dashboard you are creating, whether you are focusing on sales performance, pipeline movement, activity tracking, or another reporting view available in your account. As soon as you select the report, Freshsales will create the new dashboard for you. You will see it appear as a new dashboard tab alongside the existing ones, making it easy to switch to it at any time. When you click into that new tab, you will be viewing the newly created dashboard based on the report you selected. If you are building multiple dashboards, it helps to be consistent with the reports you choose, so each dashboard has a clear purpose. Also, if you do not immediately see the new dashboard tab, give the page a brief moment to update, since the dashboard list refreshes as the new one is added. And that is all there is to it.